this is first job opening that we have, which is someone is hiring for a pen tester or a security test engineer, right? Meglas at btechme.ae. Okay, 6+ years of experience is required. It's Dubai based location, and their job description that you can see. Okay, they should have knowledge about OWASP industry, CTFs. Okay, reverse engineering analysis, web application pen testing, mobile application pen testing, detection common vulnerabilities. And this is mail ID. If you want to apply, just drop. And this is a Dubai based role, so just do accordingly. Right. Now next one is again Ambus Solution, very famous company. Talent ID at ambussolutions.com. Experience in upgrade, Fortnite, large KHY. Location is Abu Dhabi, Dubai. 5-month contract. 9,500 is the AED. That is what they are going to pay you within 2 weeks. Right. Third one is they are looking for information security consultant, 2 to 6 years of experience. Mumbai, web app, API mobile. This is mail ID aparna.malik@isec40.com, on which you can drop your resume, right? And get selected. That's what I can say, right? Now, the next one is in CyberCube. Okay, they want three positions, 3+ years of information security consultant, VAPT consultant, and sales executive, right? It's a Haryana based 5 days a week. Careers at cyberscube.co.in is the mail on which you need to drop your resume. Cybersecurity team, VAPT intern, minimum 6 month hands-on experience, basic understanding of vast options, CBSS, scoring and networking concept. Mail is angelin.r@techplix.com. On the mail, you can drop your resume. Next one is vulnerability analysis, up to 27,000 SAR, which is they are going to pay you, which is a Riyadh money, and they want a vulnerability analyst. Their key responsibility will be assigned to you, and this is the mail ID. careers@opentech.co.sa, on which you can drop your resume. Next one is associate analyst Bangalore. Okay, this is on site. Okay, immediate joining. This is mail ID amulya@hackday@ amulya.hackday@collartokens.com. This is mail ID Splunk, QRadar, Logarithm, Stellar Cyber. All this knowledge is important. 24/7 monitoring experience. Quite right. Next one is Happiest Mind is hiring. Probably a good company. Okay, they are hiring Anuruddha anuradha.kumari@happiestmind.com is the mail. Bangalore, Chennai, Dubai is the location. 15 days immediate joining, right? And knowledge of security systems, cloud, all those things is important. Mobile VFPT, dynamic and static both is required, right? Apply करना इस पे resume drop करो. It's a Bangalore, Chennai and Dubai role, right? So that's all today, guys. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please ask.